This is a day in the life of the aircraft fitter. So this is the landing gear nose leg. It's getting rebuilt after maintenance. The whole area of the landing gear bay got stripped out for paint, and it's been repainted. As you can see, fresh coat of paint. As you can see, the aircraft's on jacks. It's been supported by belly trestles. Again, the main landing gear bay has been stripped out and it's been painted white, fresh coat of paint. As you can see, all the leading edges of the wing have been taken off. There's a repair going on up there at the moment, as some of the skin at the front was found to be bowed, so we're just waiting on parts for that at the moment to get that repaired. I'll take you to my bits. So this is the aircraft auxiliary fuel tank. This is one of the main fuel tanks for the aircraft. It holds a lot of fuel, and at the moment it's being rebuilt by myself. Here we've got the flap tracks there. This is what the flaps sit on. They sit on rollers and then they come down when the pilot selects them. So this is a C-130J engine. At the moment all the panels have been removed and lifted for inspection. If anything is found to be faulty, it will be taken out and replaced. This is a day in the life of the aircraft fitter.